macro stage, what will do? Consumers, how to best respond to changing microeconomics condition when recession or the interest rates rises. Now look, when government increase the interest shares, what will happen? You will see that how like a customers will respond. If I take an example of cigarettes, if government increase the taxes on the cigarettes, you will see the companies who are selling cigarettes, you will see they are going into loss. Why? Because not only you are in a position to, you are not only one person who is not going to buy cigarette, but many of you like you who, what will they will do? They will take a step and avoid the cigarettes of a particular brand. Okay, so you can see when price increase, the profit will decrease. Why? Because majority of the customer will restrict themselves, okay, in the order to buy particular kind of a product. Here I am not talking about you, I am talking about all the individual who like cigarettes, who use cigarettes. Okay, so here consumer, like many people have to decide, many customer of the particular product have to decide either we should go for it or not. Okay, the next one is firm. What is firm? Now the firm, you are talking about an industry. Okay, industry have to decide. Look, maybe you have seen in so many news that traders are in the protest. Now trader doesn't mean they are just cloth traders, they are just shoes trader, or they are just vegetable or milk beef traders. There would be so many traders belongs to different industries. Why they are in a position to protest against the government policies? Okay, they may have simple logic, but they are from different industries. Okay, so whenever firms takes a step, they will see the whole industry. We are not talking about one person, we are talking about what we are talking about, whole industry. If Pakistan wanted to take a decision to fight with, for example, in India, okay, this is between two countries, but you will see Iran will come, you will see Afghanistan will interfere, okay, you will see China will interfere, you will see other countries will interfere. Why? Because they know that when they will fight, impact of this fight will be on us. Is that so or not? Okay, what they will do, they will interfere and they try their best to stop this fighting. Are you getting my point? Here we are not talking about two countries, we have to discuss about the whole region, because of these two countries, when they will fight, the whole region will be affected. Are you getting my point? So this is the same concept we are talking in from the perspective of the firms. So the government, here government will not make the policy about the one industry, the government will make the policy about the whole industry. They will make a policy when they will increase the taxes will not only for particular kind of industry, they will increase taxes overall. Okay, it will be applicable on almost each and every industry. Okay, so when they will make a policy and they are applying that particular policy on more than one industries, again we are at macro stage. So multinational companies, for your information, Sharif, there are total, if I talk about top 500 multinational companies of the world, they have 80% wealth of the whole world in their hand. 80% wealth. Who have? Top 500 multinational companies. And among these 500 multinational companies, I guess 164 belongs to America. Okay, 164. And 61 belongs to Japan. Are you getting my point? So you can see how they handle the wealth of the whole world. Okay, so when they make a decision, okay, when they make a decision, look, if they have 80% of the wealth, look, if 164 are located in America, you can see almost half of the wealth is controlled under the America. Okay, is controlled by the America, because multinational companies are operating in the America, and 80% of the wealth is in the hand of or in the hand of these multinational companies. Okay, so whenever they will make a decisions, they will decide in which countries we have to invest. Like if I talk about Google will decide in which country we have to invest, in which area we have to go. Like cars companies, mobile, iPhone, and all these materials, they will decide how many consumer or how much consumer we have in that particular kind of a country, and we should go for it or not. They will make a decision. And how to best develop international advantage. They will make a policy that how we can brand our product, how we can make a brand of this organization. Okay, multinational having a concept that this is a group of the companies. Are you getting my point? This is the group of the companies. So when they make a decision, it's mean we are at macro level, because not only one company you can say this is at the level of the MNCs, like multinational companies, but there are the group of the companies. We can count them that these are companies are at the level, we can say that these are the multinational companies. So when such kind of companies make a decisions, we are always on the top, we are always on the macro stages. So these were some decisions we were discussing in our last lecture.